All right, everyone. I believe we should be going live momentarily. Um, Hope everyone is doing great and surviving this choppy market right now. Mm. All right, so that being said, much love to you all. Let's get the party started over here on some screen share. And here we go. All right, so we are looking at pretty much what we saw yesterday, the continuation of the kind of invalidation of this ascending triangle specifically. Still has an ascending structure with the higher low. We're on our way to double tap this 65.3, like 65.400 territory. It's a little, so far we did kind of glance off of that range, that, 65.5 range, and we're trying to buy our way out, but there hasn't been any support, at least on the 30-minute. Let's kind of localize this a bit on the 5-minute chart. And we had a little bit of action, but nothing around here, which is what I'd hoping there to be some sort of consistency. Uh, Without that consistent, support, I think we could play around here a bit longer, instead of going, spending just a couple weeks down here, we could very well be down here for a few months, a few months. So that's what this is kind of telling me right now. This Bears are just damn near convinced that this thing has run its course. So they're pushing, they're holding their lines, and buyers are still letting it slip into their liquidity. So it seems like whales are probably down to absorb cost. They want to get rid of dollars and they want to absorb as much Bitcoin as possible. I think this is a great price. I think any cheaper price of accumulating Bitcoin is great and all, but I don't think we're living in an age where we'll see, below 5 digits ever again for sure. Being or yeah, but see being in 5 digits is pretty much a short-term home, and I think we're on our way to six figures over the course. I think everything is just spread out. So over the course of the next year or so, depending on how long it takes for us to buy our way out of this mess. But yeah, that's kind of how I'm seeing things still is we need to maintain a higher high, higher low than this. As long as we maintain that, then I think we can do a couple scare tactics and retest 60K and reevaluate there. But um, for now, I don't like the fact that bears are totally failing. It doesn't make me lose confidence that people are interested in buying down here. It's very apparent that people are interested in buying down here. But I will we be able to convincingly buy our way out quick, or is this going to be a long, slow, drawn out freaking piece of the market? Take some months, and news articles and narratives to really wind back up. I'm not 100% sure yet, but right, we're still on the track, channeling sideways, higher, low. We got to stick to that for now. So we'll do a nice short episode today and reevaluate again. Much love to you all, and thanks for tuning in. All right, everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and happy